to seeking the death penalty in the murder of a local father. Action News Jack's Megan Moriarty is live outside of the courthouse. And Megan, prosecutors argue that Mario Fernandez-Saldana is eligible for the death penalty because this murder was pre-planned and there was a child in harm's way.
And Tanika, all of that would take place after the trial. Fernandez-Saldana, he has been arrested and charged with first-degree murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and child abuse. Again, that child abuse charge comes because this all happened in front of a toddler. Our Action News Jack's law and safety expert says it is unlikely that he will ultimately get the death penalty.
The state of Florida does hereby give notice to the defendant in this case.
Mario Fernandez-Saldana appeared in court this morning for a big update.
That the state of Florida intends to seek the death penalty for first-degree murder charged in this case.
Fernandez-Saldana is accused of plotting to kill Jared Bridegan and hiring this man, Henry Tenant, to gun him down. Is it rare for the person who the state does not believe pulled the trigger for them to seek the death penalty?
Absolutely, it's rare. And it's going to be an uphill battle.
Our Action News Jack's law and safety expert believes it will be difficult because the state isn't seeking it for the man who actually fired the weapon.
There's a level of proof that is going to be certainly difficult to achieve simply because the individual who pulled the trigger is a killer. And the credibility of that individual in testifying against someone else is always going to be at issue.
Carson believes it's unlikely Fernandez-Saldana will ultimately get the death penalty.
Here's the bigger point from my perspective. The closer we get to trial, the more likely it is that this individual will decide, I don't want to take this alone. He may be able to change the potential death penalty to something less than death if other co-conspirators are identified.
His next court appearance is scheduled for June 20th. For local coverage, you can count on Live Downtown. Megan Moriarty, Action News Jacks.
Jared's widow, Kirsten Bridegan, shared a statement ahead of the hearing. She says the state's pursuit of the death penalty is, quote, welcome news because it signifies the determination and relentless pursuit of justice for Jared, our family, and the community. You can find her full statement on actionnewsjacks.com.